Okay, next we will try to add icons inside the body text using the icon tag. Now before that, let's turn on the icon filter. Let's go to text format. Let's configure full HTML. Let's scroll down. Turn on the convert icon tags. This will convert the text into the icon markup for an icon. Now scroll down. Let's save the configuration. So make sure you turn this on. Let's go to front page. Now let's edit one of the content and try out. Maybe we go to what we do and let's add it. Now let's go to module page again to copy the icon tag. Scroll down. Under icon filter submodule, there's an icon tag here we can copy. It says that you have to replace this bundle with the bundle machine name and this icon with the icon machine name. But where to find the machine name? We'll check it out afterwards. So let's copy this icon tag first. Ctrl C or Command C. Back to our Drupal site. Now, if you copy from other source, it's better to use this plain text to filter. Alright? So click OK and make sure it's clean. Otherwise, it won't work properly. Turn it off. So always remember to check when your icon tag is not converted correctly. There may be some inline styles that blocking the conversion. Alright? Let's open the site in a new tab. Go here. Let's go to the icon configuration page. Find the bundle machine name and icon name. So let's copy icon. Now there are 3 bundles here. So what's the bundle name? For Font Awesome, let's click on View Icons. Now the machine name is on the top here on the URL. This is the machine name, Font Awesome. What about the icon machine name? There are a lot of icons here. Basically, you can't see the name here. But if you zoom in and inspect element, these are the machine name under title attribute. Alright? So you can see the machine name here. Let's copy one of our machine name. Maybe this one. A birthday cake. I'll copy this. Right, close it. Back to our content. Zoom out. Now, for bundle, I'll put as Font Awesome. Icon, I'll put as birthday cake. Alright. So again, check the source. Let's see that I accidentally copy even the inline style. So to clean up this, I will just cut it, filter it with this text. Check again. Yup, that's clean. So let's save it and check it out. Yep, the icon shows up. There's also an easier way of finding the Font Awesome icon's machine name. Let's go back to icon settings. Back to icons. Now let's go to provider. Open in a new tab. Under icons, scroll down. Now these are the machine name. Okay. Let's go back. What about LulaCons? Now under LulaCons this bundle, what's the LulaCon bundle name? Let's view icons. Now the bundle machine name for LulaCons is this. LulaCons underscore pack1, right? And the icons machine names are, let's zoom in again. Inspect element. Do you see this title? These are the machine name. Alright. Now another way to find this machine name, let's zoom out. Back to icons. Let's go to provider, Lulabot. These are the free GPL icons. If we scroll down, I think Drupal has already revamped the website. Now if you inspect element, let's check out this. It's using 100% width for all these images. If we turn to auto, close this. Yep, you can see all the icons here. Now down below here, there's icons where you can download. Okay, you can download the whole file. I've downloaded. Now let me show you. Now these are the Lulacon's icons. The file name here are all machine name you can use. So back to our site. So now you know what's the bundle's machine name as well as the icon name. What about Bootstrap, the last one? Let's view the icons. Now very straightforward. The bundle machine name is on the top here, Bootstrap. And let's zoom in again, look for the icon machine name, inspect element. Now these are the machine name, Glyphicon backward. Look for the title attribute. Okay. Of course, again, another easier way is to zoom out, go to the provider. All the machine name are here. Glyphicon minus. So you can check it out here. So let's try maybe Glyphicon hard. Alright, I'll copy this. Back to our Drupal site. Now I'll add it. We try with Bootstrap. Bracket, icon, column, Bootstrap, column. Paste it here. Now again, let's filter this. Double check. Yes, it's clean. Scroll down. Save. Yes, it comes up. Inspect element. Yep. Of course, you can make it slightly bigger. Font size 20 perhaps, or even 50. Right? So you can also change the color to red perhaps. Now, take note if your icon tag is correct and yet the icon not displayed, possibly your module version do not support the icon you're trying to insert, especially those new icons added recently. You may want to find a way to upgrade your icon bundle. Alright, so our last piece of work now is to create a custom block, 3 social media icons we commonly use like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and put it on the top right corner here. Alright, so let's do it. Let's go to Structure, Blocks, Add Block. We don't need the title. For description, I will put social icons. Scroll down. Now here, I will use font awesome instead. So I put icon, column, font, awesome, column. I will use Facebook, dash, square. So there's one icon for Facebook. Let's put a space. Now I'll copy this and paste it here. Another space, paste it here. So for Facebook, I'll change it to Twitter. For this one, I'll change it to YouTube. Great. So let's create the link for each. You can just create the link as usual. I will highlight this. Click on the link button. URL, Facebook. For target, let's choose new window. Okay. Do the same to the other two. Twitter, blank. Last one. For YouTube, target, new window, OK. Let's scroll down. For class, let's give it a class called social dash icon. Pull right, so that you'll float to the right. Let's scroll down. Let's assign a region to navigation. Scroll down. Show on all pages. That's fine. So let's save the block. Let's check it out. There's something not working here. So let's go back and check it in. See if you can find the problem. I think we didn't link it properly. If you zoom in, we miss out a last closing bracket. So let's try again. I'll remove this link. Highlight it. That's fine. That's why sometimes we'll make mistake. Okay. Zoom out. Scroll down. Save the block. That's great. Let's try to beautify and change the color a bit. Let's inspect element and check what we should target. Now we have assigned a class to this block called social icon. That's fine. And I think we will narrow down to p tag so that we won't overwrite the contextual link here. We'll target for this one, I tag. So let's open our text editor and style a bit of the CSS. To save the time, I'll copy and paste the CSS style here, which I already written. So give a margin of 0 for p tag. For the link, use margin left 5 pixels, font size slightly bigger, and color to white. Let's save it. Back to our site. Close it. And let's refresh the page. Now it looks great. So click on this. So the icon works with the link as well. Now the last one that the icon API can do for you is to create a few icons. Let's take a very quick look. Let's go to structure, content types, basic page perhaps, manage field, and actually add a field for icon. Now if we try to add an icon, here you can select icon field type, right? So we save it, continue, save field settings, scroll down. You can choose the default icon, for instance, Android, save it. Now let's add an article, add content, basic page, title, body, scroll down. Here you can choose, select your own icon. If you want to overwrite, you can. Try something else, book perhaps, save. Now you will see the icon here. Of course, you can adjust with manage display. Put icon here, hidden, save. Now your icon is at the top. Alright, so I think that's all for the icons. It takes quite some time to go through each, but I think worth it. Icon is quite frequently used nowadays. So that's all for the icons, and let's proceed to the next.